Okay, everyone. Question number 3 says g of y equal to y square minus 3y plus 1. Write down and simplify an expression for g of a minus 2. So how can we solve it? Here, g of y equal to y square minus 3y plus 1. Now, g of a minus 2 will be, instead of y, we need to substitute a minus 2. So, instead of y, we can write a minus 2 whole square minus 3 into, instead of y, a minus 2 plus 1. So, here a minus b whole square. So, what is the formula for a minus b whole square? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here we can write a square minus 2 into a into 2, that will be 4a plus 2 to the 4 minus 3 into a 3a minus into minus plus 3 to the 6 plus 1. So here a square minus 4a minus 3a minus 7a plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 1 plus 11. So a square minus 7a plus 11 will be the final answer.